It's Monday. It's time to talk technology, and our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us right now on Power Talk Radio. And Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you today?
Doing pretty good. So we have a really interesting topic, and that is about a replacement for the ubiquitous Ring doorbell, the video doorbell system that so many homes have. But, and I don't have one, but I wasn't aware that with Ring, there are subscriptions and some extra fees, right?
Yeah, so Ring is an expensive camera to begin with, but then you are required, in order for it to function, to have a subscription of some sort. There's various subscriptions that are available through Amazon, but you got to subscribe, and it's like a monthly or annual payment that you're on the hook for if you want your camera to work. And those subscription prices have been going up incrementally over the last few years, and a lot of people have started to ask, is it worth it? And it turns out that there are options if you want to have a doorbell camera that doesn't require a subscription, and I discovered one called the Lorex, Lorex.
Oh, this isn't the Lorex, which is Dr. Seuss.
Yeah.
This is something different.
Not the Dr. Seuss. Yeah, exactly. That's why I wanted to spell it. But Lorex, interestingly enough, is also available on Amazon. It's a 2K camera, so it doesn't have the super high resolution that the Ring doorbell does, but it's cheaper, and best of all, there's no subscription required, and you just connect it to your Wi-Fi, download the app, and you're good to go.
Wow. So what does it cost to buy one of these?
They're about $150 right now on Amazon. They're usually they run around $180, but they're on sale. So if you're interested, check it out. You can go on Amazon.com and look for the Lorex 2K video doorbell. And I think you'll be pleased with the options that are there instead of having to pay a Ring, the rest of your life.
And apparently the Lorex includes a 32 gigabyte micro SD card in it. It'll record all of the coming and going and everything like that. Now, is that in the actual device, or does that go in your computer?
That's in the actual device. It's a little tiny hard drive chip that's put into the device. It also is battery powered, and the battery lasts pretty long. It can last as long as 6 months depending on usage. But that way you don't need to have anything hardwired or electrical work done so that you can get your doorbell to work.
Okay, so for $150, you can try the Lorex 2K video replacement for the Ring doorbell. That's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group. Online with us, it's alvareztg.com, on the X platform at AlvarezTG. And Luis, the toll-free number for the I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.